G'day guys, Wayne Small here from EMO Lives, the site that's all about emo and friends. Today I received a really cool package in the mail, and I think it is one of the first EMO Whites in public. And I've literally only opened up the top of the package here. Thought I'd walk you through. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. There we go. A few plastic bits here to keep the box all nice and safe in its transit. Ta-da! EMO White. So what I've got here is the package comes with some stickers and also a mat. And let's have a look at this. And hang on, there's a couple of plastic bits there. And we will go through and open it up. Let's get into it real quickly, shall we? Knife, got to be careful with that. Oh, I'm so excited to see what this little guy looks like. There we go, open that. So just have a quick look. The box is very similar to the original EMO Go Home boxes. Okay, looking good. Let's just open that up, put that to one side. And there we have it. Oh, wow. So let me get this guy out. Wow. Look at that. It's got the headphones. I like the feel of this. Blue and white emo. I like the subtle touches that we've got here in this little guy. The headphones are good too. They clip on nicely. We've got the USB cable. Ooh, not USB cable. What are these? Oh, wow, that's a nice little treat. Antlers for emo. They obviously just clip on like this. Oh, that's cool. I like that. And the base station for EMO White, obviously, is white here. Okay. And the white background. There's also the EMO Light. And the cables. And that's really it. So I'm going to set this up and do another video about his first power-up. But I'm looking at this. This quality of build looks amazing. Feels good. Let's go and set him up.